Hello everyone, welcome to Mastery. It's Rosario's Academy. At our previous video, we have discussed about the classification of cash journals. I want to remember the four names. One is simple cash book, another one is two-column cash book, another one is three-column cash book, and last one is petty cash book. The two-column cash book sometimes may be termed as cash and bank column book. Sometimes it may be termed as discount and cash column book. So three-column cash book is the combination of cash, bank and discount column. So here today we're going to discuss about simple cash book in detail. Cash journal also is one of the special journals, but it has some speciality. Cash books are playing the dual role of special journal as well as the ledger. Transactions which are posted or recorded into the cash books are not needed to again post it into the ledger, which means that we need not to open a special ledger account for cash and bank in the ledger book. That is the main speciality. So it reduces the time, it reduces the labor cost and everything. It is highly efficient art of recording. So here we have some examples in the books of X and Co. I have some example transactions. So I just want to show you how to post all this transaction into the simple cash book one by one. So this is the pro forma of simple cash book or single column cash book. Okay. So we have to start in the books of X and Co. Okay, and cash, simple cash book. Okay, so as usual, since as I told you earlier, it plays the dual role of journal, special journal as well as the ledger. We have to make the format as ledger. That is, left side is debtor and right side is creditor. Okay, so it has to be divided into two T-form format. And the first column is date. Then the second column is sometimes it is filled as particulars. Here I just want to fill it out as receipts. R-E-C-E-I-P-T-S, receipts. R-E-C-E-I-P-T-S, receipts. Ledger folio number, then amount. For cash and bank account, here only cash column is there. So for cash account, we need not to open the ledger. And for the rest of the account, which are going to be posted here, like EB charges account, purchase account, all these are as usual. We have to open the ledger. That's why here we are having the column of ledger folio. Then as usual, right side amount, date. Next payments, ledger folio as usual, amount. Okay, so this is what the format roughly I have made it. Let us post it into the simple cash book one by one, or let us record it into the simple cash book one by one. First transaction here we have is 2021 May 1st. Okay, it is nothing but cash on hand. Whenever we come across a transaction like this, we should assume that cash, physical cash in our hand as of 1st of May. Okay, cash account, as I told you earlier, cash account belongs to the real account category. According to the real account rule, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So here, cash on hand, cash is with our hand physically, with us. Okay? We keep with us. So we have to debit it. Okay, with the name of, as usual, when the debit account opens, we have to start with the keyword of to balance, brought down. Okay, amount is 1 lakh. Next one is third of May, cash deposited into bank. So since we have only cash column book, for us it is a payment. So we are depositing into the bank account. So cash is going out here. So third 2021 May, as usual we have to write. So third, cash deposited into the. So start with the keyword of buy. Credit side, so by bank account. My bank account is 5,000. Next, fifth, if this EB charges paid. So it is a kind of payment, it's an expenses for us. So on 5th, so we have to go to the payment side, EB charges account, one is 1,500. Then next, cash purchase of rupees 3,000. So we are purchasing against the cash. So here cash is going on out. So on 8th, cash purchase by purchase account, my purchase account, that is 3,000. Then sales against cash, 12th, sales against cash. So cash is coming inside on 12th, cash is coming inside for sales. So to sales account, 2,000. Then amount received from Raj of 2,000. This is also a kind of receipt. So we have to write it in the receipt column, 5th. It's amount received from Raj. So Raj account. The entry would be cash account attached to Raj account. So for cash book, Raj account should come on debit side, 2,000. Raj account also 2,000. Then rent paid on 16th. It is a payment by rent account. What is 8,000? Then salary paid on 9th. This is also, it's a nominal expenses. So by salary account, how much? 10,000. So then we have to balance the cash book as usual, same as ledger. So as usual, since almost normally the cash book shows the debit balance, debit side would be the higher value. So we can first close the right side, debit side value, 1,00,000, 2,000, 4,000, 1,00,000, 4,000. So the same amount should be written here, 1,00,000, 4,000. On 31st May, on 31st, so by balance carry down, how much? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 500, so 5 plus 5, 0, 10, then 8 plus 1, 9, 12, 13, 8 is 18, so 18 plus 6, 24, so 2 plus 1, 3, then yeah, nothing is there, 2 plus 1, 3, plus 7, 10, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 10. So this is what the balance, okay, sorry, the alignment has changed. So this is what the balance carried on. For the next month, 1st of June, it is the opening balance. To balance brought down, how much? 76,500. That is how we should prepare the simple cash book. Since it is the combination of book of original entry, journal as well as the ledger, we need not to open again for cash account in ledger book. So it fulfills both the journal and ledger requirements. So here we have made it in a ledger format, all kind of receipts. Here we are recording in the debit side, all kind of cash payments are recorded in the credit side. That is how we have to make the simple cash book. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much for watching.